Hello, this is Tronics for WP Beginner, and today I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on how to use custom post types in WordPress 3.0. Right now we don't have any UI or control panel to create the custom post types menus, so the best thing that we can do is use plugins or to hard code it into the themes functions file. So let's take a look at how to use the plugin to create our custom post type menus. And the plugin that we're going to use is called custom post type UI. Install, okay, activate. Okay, so from the plugins menu we can create a custom post type, and for this example let's create one called movies, label movies, and the label is what actually is going to be displayed here on the left sidebar. Let's use the default options and click create custom post type. So now we have a custom post type menu called movies. Let's create a few posts. First, movie post content, publish. Let's create one more. Second, movie post content, publish. Okay, so now that we have our two movie posts, let's go to our website homepage, refresh, and as you can see the two posts are now being displayed, and that is because only the regular posts are being queried. So to fix this we need to access our theme folder, and I have demo, and then within the loop at the beginning of the code we need to use the following code. We're going to use the query post function, and we're going to pass a few params. So we're going to pass a few params called post type equals the name of the post type, and which is in this case movies, and the statement, save the file. Let's go back to the home page, refresh, and there you see the two posts. However, the regular post hello world is not being displayed. So fix this we need to pass the post type params through an array post type, give it a value of array, and then we enter the different types of posts that we want to query, and in this case we want to query the regular post and the movies post. Save, go back to the home page, refresh, and there you see both the movie post and the regular post. Okay, so that's using the plugin. So how can we hard code into the theme file? Well, locally this plugin custom post types UI allows you to grab the code. Let's go to manage post types. From here you click on get code, and there's the code that we can copy and paste into our themes functions file. Let's copy that, go into a themes folder, open up the functions file, and then at the end of the code write down the following. I will explain it later. Okay, so this means if not function exists, my custom post types. Meaning, if this function doesn't exist, my custom post types do the following. And the following is create function post type. And then inside this function, we can paste the code that we copy from the plugin. Let me make this readable. Oops. Ah. Enter. Oops. Okay, so this is the code that we copy from the plugin. So basically, we are using register post type function to create our custom post type menu, and it's called movies. Give it an array label. That's what is going to be displayed on the sidebar. Show UI, yes. Supports the different features that it supports, such as thumbnail, comments, and then we need to initialize our function. We do that by using a WordPress built-in function called add_action. Initialize, and then the name of the function, which is my custom post types. Okay, so since we already have a custom post type named movies, let's change this to something else. Let's use books, and then actually let's just leave it like that. Copy this and create one more. Let's move this a little bit to the left. Oops. Okay. Let me just add a small comment here. Creates movies post type. Here creates books post type. Books, and then change the label to books, capital B. Doesn't have to be capital, just anything that you want. to add a T here. Save. Let's go back to the dashboard. 506. So 506. Oh, forgot to end the statement here. Save. Refresh. Nope. Let's go back. Oh, that's because I end the statement instead of using the colon. There we go. Now we refresh. There we go. Okay, so we go to books and we see the post type here, the custom post type menu called books and movies, and we can since we hard coded the movies content custom post type, we can deactivate the plugin custom post type UI and it'll still show up. See, there we go. And you might be thinking, why did I add the if not function exists? Well, this will allow us to have a child theme, and we write the this function by just creating this function again, my custom post type, and then we can remove or change any custom post type that we have. So let's go back to the home page, and only the movie post and the regular posts have been shown. So let's go back to the loop and add our third post type, which is books. Save. Go back to the home page, refresh. Oh, and we did a mistake. Let's go back. Oh, that's because we didn't create any post under the books. Under books, first book post, content, publish, and let's add one more. Second book post, content, publish. Okay, let's refresh, and there you go. We have all the posts being displayed.